Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptalina channel. In today's video I will share with you the best strategy I have found so far for scalping cryptocurrencies. This strategy makes absolutely insane returns in the shortest amount of time, and to prove that I will back this 100 times with an account size set at 100 with 1:2 risk-reward ratio. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put your likes and comments below. Also make sure you don't skip any part of this video, otherwise you won't fully understand the strategy. And also don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group where I share my trading signal for you, and right now guys you can get $4,500 for your trading on BYBIT. All you need to do is register on BYBIT, make your first deposit, and you can get this free money for your future trading. All the necessary link will be in the description. So let's get started. Okay, we're currently looking at the price of BTC USD on a 5-minute time frame. This strategy also works on the higher time frames. You can try it on a 15-minute, 1 hour, or even a daily chart. Before we add our indicators to the chart, let's switch the candlesticks from Japanese to Heikin-Ashi. Okay, for our strategy we are going to use 3 indicators. For the first indicator, let's add awesome oscillator. For the second indicator, we will search for zero leg SMA. This indicator by be verified, and for the third indicator we will add a secret volume tool. No one knows about this indicator. It's called the highest volume index by Poretica. Alright, now we need to change the settings on some of these indicators. So let's first access the settings on a zero leg SMA and change the length from 32 to 50. Also, let's change the indicator time frame, and the second step will be to make this volume indicator more visible. Okay, our strategy is complete. Now let's get into the trading rules. So here are the conditions for entering a long trade. First, we are only going to be looking to buy if the price action is closed above the zero leg SMA and the line is pointing upwards. Second, the awesome oscillator has to print a green bar above the zero level. Third, we need to have a volume spike. This means that this volume blue line has to break above the 100 level, and the last condition will be to have our trigger candlestick bullish without a lower wick. If one of these conditions is not met, we are simply going to skip the signal. We are going to place our stop loss at the low of the candlestick. The awesome oscillator printed the most recent red bar on. Our take profit target will be set at 2 times the risk. Exactly opposite is true for short trades. First, we are only going to be looking to sell if the price action is closed above the zero leg SMA and the line is pointing downwards. Second, the awesome oscillator has to print a red bar below the zero level. Third, just like with the long trades, the volume indicator has to break above the 100 level. This indicates a strong level of volume in the market. And the last condition will be to have a trigger candlestick bearish without an opal wick. And again, if one of these conditions is not met, when the awesome oscillator gives a new signal, we are simply going to skip the signal. A stop loss will be set at the candlestick the awesome oscillator printed the last green bar on, and the take profit target will be 2 times the risk. The reason this strategy is so great is because it eliminates a lot of losing trades. As we all know, the losses usually happen when the market is moving sideways, so in order to avoid taking trades at this time, I added this super powerful volume indicator to the chart. We see the line doesn't exceed the 100 level when the market is consolidating. Also, it's very important to keep an eye on the direction of the zero leg SMA. For example, if you have a signal to go short but the line is pointing upwards, this is a strong indication that the bullish trend is not yet over. So in order to maximize our chances of success, I added this rule as well, and because we have all these rules in place, it's really hard for us to take trades. When the market is not trending, we see once the bullish trend is over, the price goes underneath the zero leg SMA so that we can't take any further long trades. This is really useful as it shows us that the bullish momentum is over. Also, if you want to maximize your chances of success even more, you should avoid taking any trades. If the price action is forming massive candlesticks like this, these are the times when the volatility in the market is extremely high and the price is usually unpredictable. Okay, let me show you a couple more examples. So here we see the price action is closed above the 0 leg SMA and the line is pointing upwards. The awesome oscillator printed a green bar above the 0 level. We have a massive spike in volume and the trigger candlestick is bullish without a lower wick. As stop loss was set at the low of the candlestick, we had the last red bar on, and we can see that the price action easily triggers our take profit target. Then the market moved into consolidation stage and we didn't get any valid signal to take a trade. But once the market started trending, we see that our strategy gave us a long entry. And again, this trade turned out to be profitable. You can also try a different money management approach where you are not capping your profits and simply letting your winners ride. In this case, you would close a winning long trade. Once you have the first bearish Heikin-Ashi candlestick without a noble wick, you can see that the risk-reward ratio can get extremely high. Okay, here we see we've got another long signal, but this signal is not confirmed because our trigger candlestick has a lower wick here. Also some great examples for short trades. Here we see we've got a new sell signal issued by the awesome oscillator. The price action is below the 0 leg SMA and the line is pointing downwards. We also have a volume spike and our trigger candlestick meets the requirements. Then a few minutes later we have another setup and this signal is also confirmed. And if we take a look at the next signals, we see they are not confirmed. Okay, traders, I hope you have understood the rules for this strategy. Now let's do our backtesting. Okay, so just like I promised in the beginning of this video, the results are absolutely insane. Then the win rate for this strategy is 73 and we gained over 915% of profit on our account. After 100 setups, I must say that because of high spreads and fees, these results will be different when trading live. The profit factor for the strategy is 5.41 and we had 9 consecutive wins against 2 consecutive losses. So yeah, definitely go ahead and backtest this strategy on different markets and different time frames as well. Okay, it's all for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my Telegram channel where you can find more interesting information about crypto world. That's all for now. Bye.